Hello, Miss Bowie's 5th period class. Today I'll be teaching you guys about the relationship of angles and radians in a unit circle. So, have any of you guys wondered how to relate these two circles because they seem to have around the same measurements, right? Well, today with the formula I'm about to show you, you guys will learn how to. Our two main questions for today will be, how can you use a formula to find the angle degrees of a radian? And the other will be, how can you use a formula to find the radians when you already have the degree measure? Now with this formula, you can cross multiply and find your degrees you're looking for or the radian measure you're looking for. Our first example is converting 80 degrees to radians. 80 will represent D and replace D in the formula we just saw. And then we can cross multiply and solve for R. Okay, so now that we have our formula set up, we can look for what radians is. 180 over 180 cancels out. And then so R equals, I can't really see. You can simplify 80 over 180 into which becomes, and that's your radians. Now with our second example, we can go back to the question of how can you use a formula to find the angle degrees of a radian. We can convert 3/4 pi radians into degrees and replace R with that. With that, we can cross multiply once again, and since there's pi on both the numerator and denominator, we can cancel that out. Then cross multiply, divide by 4 on each side, and then your degree measure should equal 135 degrees. Now you know how these two circles can relate to each other, and how you can use the other measurement to find one another. Yay!